What's the meaning of bouillon? Bouillon. Bouillon.
Bouillon. Bouillon. Bouillon is a French term that refers to a clear, flavorful broth made by simmering meat, bones, vegetables and seasonings in water. The resulting liquid is typically used as a base for soups, stews, sauces and gravies, adding depth and richness of flavor. Bouillon is a versatile ingredient in cooking, providing a savory foundation for many dishes and allowing the other ingredients to shine. It can also be enjoyed on its own as a nourishing and comforting drink. Overall, bouillon adds an essential element of umami to many culinary creations, enhancing their taste and complexity.